We've just stopped in. What village have we just stopped in?
Not sure.
Huh?
Not sure.
We're not too sure what village we've stopped in, but our taxi driver just realised that we've got a flat tyre. So in Samoa, safety is second, I think. So good times, real good times. Just looking around this village, it's quite serene, quite nice. I enjoy it. So hopefully in the next couple of minutes we'll be up and going, ready for the rest of our tour. Cool. Good stuff, Mike.
You can see our tyre. It's finally given up on us. Just pulled all over. I'm just changing the spear now. Gaga'emalae. So we're just waiting across the road. So the primary school kids. Wait, Olha ali ngô cô ao. Foailalo. Foailalo Primary School, I think it is. Hello. Hello. That's it.